Hey, I'm Dan, 50 States Adrift. Wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what we meant when we say fluid services between events. We're privileged this year to work with Lucas Oil. You may be surprised to find is actually a wide variety of products that you can use anywhere from just general car care and maintenance all the way up to racing applications. Okay, let's start at the front of the car. For the front of the car, we run a RB25neo top mount turbo, push about 400 to the tire. With that, you need a lot of lubrication, you need a lot of heat resistance. We use Lucas Oil Synthetic 5W30 racing oil. It's an excellent oil. We really enjoy the performance we get out of it. You'll find that at the end of an event or two events, the oil is still extremely new. So you know that you're getting the maximum you can get out of your oil. You're getting that maximum engine protection. You're getting that maximum performance out of the oil. It just keeps your setup safe while you run it under those high endurance conditions. For our transmission and differential, we prefer Lucas Oil 75W140. It's shock resistant, it's temperature resistant, it's long lasting. We find that our transmission and our differentials last longer than before, and we also find that the fluid does an excellent job of lubricating everything. We've turned them down. It's a really great product. We highly recommend it. And of course, after a lot of racing and a lot of hard thrashing, we wash the car, we detail the car, and we use the Lucas Oil Slick Mist Detailer Kit. It's got interior, it's got exterior, it's got tire. We rub the whole car down with their spray wax, and it just comes out phenomenal. Quite honestly, the rubber that we shoot on the car even comes off easier the following week. It's just a great detailer kit. We love using it. It's easy, it's clean, it even smells good, quite frankly. I highly recommend that you get into the Lucas Oil Spray Detailer Kit. Again, Dan, 50 States Adrift, just wanted to talk you through what we do in between events in terms of lubrication services. Thank you again to My Lucas Oil, mylucasoil.com, for working with us this year. Excellent partner. Love working with you. Thank you so much.